Alright, dude, let's get her going.
So what are you doing then?
I'll probably come to Vermontville and go to my dad's, so I'll probably come up to the
When?
later.
Soon?
Soon, yeah.
I don't want to sit there and get all hammered.
Alright, that's fun. Shh, let's light the fires and kick the tires, dude. Look at that fucker. Hey, this one's way better. Yeah, right, look at these black on black, dude.
That's a newer model.
Yeah, it's got power windows. You're all jealous. He was. Hurry up, dude. Get her going. Oh, shit. What if he's stuck? What's he doing, dude? Just get out of here. That thing's bad.